Hello, my dear friends. Once again, A.S.S Science Foundation is here with a very inspiring story from one of our students, Priyanka. So, Priyanka did his BSc in Life Sciences from Sri Aurobindo College, Delhi University, and she was preparing for CUET-PG, IIT-JAM, TAFR, and ISC Bangalore with us. In that series, she qualified the IIT-JAM examination for biotechnology with a very good rank, and now she is planning to enter into Masters Biotech. On such a remarkable feat, the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation Life Sciences Wing would like to congratulate her on such an achievement. She was the part of our program in correspondence with video program where she can prepare along with her college studies in a smoother way. Institute also offer the classes for CSIR Life Sciences, CUET-PG in Life Sciences, Biotech, Environmental Sciences, and all other allied field of life sciences. The institute also offer a comprehensive training for interview as well as training and placement. So those students who are interested in CUET-PG or any other program at master's level can reach us as early as possible. Once again, we would like to congratulate Priyanka from Sri Aurobindo College, Delhi University for qualifying IIT-JAM examination in biotechnology with a very good rank. Thank you.